What's up guys, I'm Keiron Cheesbrough and I'm a technical specialist based here in the West Midlands in the UK. I run a business that provides the supply and installation of smart home gadgets, tech gear and security devices in homes and businesses in the Midlands. When I'm out speaking with customers, they're always asking me, what do you have installed? What do you recommend? What should I get installed? What's the difference between these particular products? And so I thought it'd be a great idea to actually create some videos for you showing you what I have in my own house, why I chose those particular products, and maybe look at the different features between the different ones that are out there on the market. If you'd like to see more of these videos, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, or if you'd like to find out more about myself, my business and what we do, be sure to check out www.keironcheesbrough.com. I'll drop a link in the description so you can easily get to that. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.